I'm Brian from Syntax Technologies, dealer for SQL accounting system. So if you want to make purchase, training, or support, or you want to come for a one-day certificate course, you can contact me directly. Please go to facebook.com/syntax technologies to like my page so you can have all the latest information regarding my system and also SQL accounting system. You can post your queries or question over here and I'll answer accordingly. If you like, you can go to youtube.com/syntax technologies to browse all previous SQL accounting system or payroll system tutorial video. Today, I'll share with you some of the key features of SQL accounting system. The first question is when people want to make a purchase for accounting system, they always ask whether this system is user-friendly. There are a lot of ways to define user-friendly. The first thing I would say is no month-end or year-end. This is extremely important. Imagine if you need to do a year-end on the 18 months and you cannot get back the audited report. So on the 19th month, you cannot key in anything. If you cannot get at the 20th, you still hang over there. For SQL, you can keep your transaction as many years as you want. For example, over here, the record is starting from 2009 until today, 2013. But what if the customer or your user wrongly key in a date? So that's why we have a acceptable transaction date where you can put in the acceptable transaction date like this. If you want to, meaning I set the transaction date can only be accepted for this period. Anything that fall out from this period will not be accepted. Even you open the transaction in 2009, edit it, you can't be safe. And if you really want to do a year, of course, you still can do. Just click inquiry, and you can see that year-end closing. Just key in the year-end date. The next point, real-time posting. SQL accounting system, when you do an entry, for example, invoice, you see, I'm using company name as a searching criteria, so I do not require to remember the customer code. Same goes for item if you want to use the description. Let's say this is XXX, this invoice. When I save, the double entry for this invoice, credit sales debit debtors, already been done and directly posted to your AR. XXX. You can see I can use invoice number as a searching criteria or a customer name or any field that available. If not available, right click title, do a field chooser, pull it out. Of course, it's limited to certain field only, but it's very useful if you want to do a quick search for your things. When you go in, you can see it become a sales account and it's also updated to your P&L. So without accounting knowledge, user still able to use this system very well. Okay, the next point, license to database, meaning for individual company, you need to request an activation code. By doing this, when you back up the database, that backup file will become a key or a license. You bring the backup file to anywhere that have SQL accounting system, it can be used as a license copy of a software. Our license do not based on hardware. Certain system, yes, it based on hardware. So you can use, let's say I install at computer A, you only can use at computer A. Imagine if you're rushing for audit and you cannot stay late and you want to bring the things, go home and do. SQL allow you to do so. So the next one will be DIY field. SQL accounting system is the only system that I know so far in the market that allow user to create your own field. For example, over here, a customer, I want to create a new field called car number. Example, okay, let's say make it 15 character, car number, caption, save it, do a simple design, customize, drag, save it, save again. So at customer maintenance, you can see that there's an additional info button where you can key in the car number. Or just now I created a birthday. Or you want to put in a birthday month, March. And all these user-defined field able to use as searching criteria or during report or document customization. Just drag out. Okay, so then I can know who is my customer that has birthday month in March. Useful. I would say it's very powerful. DIY field. Service tax invoice, we're able to cater for service tax invoice. Project, because of no month end yet end, we're able to do project profit and loss. Unlimited level of sub account. So as you can see, when you install the system, the whole child account is already there. Okay. If you want to create an account, very easy. Just click at the category, example expenses. Check the last account number, 926, so the new one should be 927. 000. Let's say it's claims. So you have a new account. And to create a sub account, just click at claims or the main account, click new. So we follow back the 927, it becomes 001. Claims for Alan. Okay, you still can go deeper and deeper if you want to. And by doing this during your entry, our system do not require you to remember all the account code. Just the name will do. For example, I want to pay an indoor water bill using Maybank. So you pay indoor water, you type indoor water over here. Because I'm using the account description as a searching criteria. Done. Key in the amount. Save. Sorry. Wrong account. Indoor water. Save. Okay. So out here you can use description as a searching. So you just type in the water and you can see it has been arranged nicely for you. So check number, you can get your check number for each transaction easily. SQL Power Search, our searching is very powerful. We have a power search where you can search a particular information through the whole system if you want to. Okay, built-in report builders. Our system allows you to customize your own format, unlimited format. For example, quotation. And use this format. And you ask, Brian, I want to insert a agent over here. Can I do that? Yes. By the way, I'm Brian from Syntax Technologies. Okay, just go to design, get a DB text, select agent, drag it. You see the alignment, It's very nicely arranged because of the ruler. And we put a label in front. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, copy paste. Nice. Just rename the page, become agent. And we save as a new format called agent. Close it. So when you preview, we get a new template. This with agent info or this quotation. This is how easy you can customize your document. So we report security setting. This one is good. SQL accounting system enable security setting up to action level, meaning test this user. So you can actually create new invoice but cannot edit. So you can see at edit column untick, cannot delete untick. So it's up to action level. Certain system is up to transaction, meaning if he can go to invoice, he can do edit, delete, print, whatever. But SQL is up to action for all transaction and reporting. And our audit trail is come with date, time, user, and most important is the document number. Certain system, yes, they have all this, but not the last one. So you cannot prove that that document is edited by him or who. This is very powerful to show as an evidence if someone makes a mistake. Sorry, I'm Brian from Syntax Technologies. So security setting work anytime, anywhere, because we do our licensing based on company backup file. So you can bring the backup file to anywhere to work, or of course you can use others like TeamViewer, or we have import export module, or you want to use TeamStuff as a remote access. All no problems. Simple drill down, copy and paste. I like this one. Imagine you always issue invoice, and all the invoice every time you issue got hundreds of items. For example, this one is simple. Let's say this one. Okay, what you need to do is just right click at any transaction, copy, maybe copy the invoice at this example, new, right click, paste the invoice. So you get all the item back. Then save, you get another new invoice, or even you want to change for another customer with the same item, no problem. Copy and paste pictures, very useful. Okay, export to external file format. All of our transactions you can actually directly export to others format. Maybe your customer do not require to have the hard copy first. They want you to send to him through email. So what you do, normally you just print out, scan, email. So for SQL accounting system, you can directly convert to others format, maybe PDF, put a desktop, alpha invoice, save. Okay, done. You have your alpha invoice in PDF, okay, email. So no problem for export to external file format. I'm Brian from Syntax Technologies. So I would make a conclusion that before you buy any accounting system or even any system, do not just listen to friends or rumors or other people saying. You should have a demo session and try to understand what is the system can offer to you, or is it up to your meeting your requirement. So remember to see a demo before you make any decision to get an accounting system, for example. So I'm Brian from Syntax Technologies. Thanks for your time. You can contact me with this information. Thank you.